Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox Fingers Tap-2-Beat set. But before unboxing, if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe us for such videos. So let's unbox it. So here we have the specifications written on the box. You can see it. And it gives a 10-hour mega playback with lightweight, noise isolating fit with Bluetooth and FM radio and micro SD card and auxiliary cable and with a built-in microphone. You can connect two devices with it. So let's take it out. So here it is. Here is the user manual. Auxiliary cable. This is quite long auxiliary cable. Now let's take out the headphones. You can see it is folded, it is foldable with a cool classy design. You can see here we put it on like this and the blue light ons. You can see here is the USB cable port, charging, micro SD card, and to receive phone calls we have a button and the volume button. The soft cushions. Here it is Fingers, it is written the company name. Very classy design it is, and the beautiful black color. You can see it can be folded like this. We also have a USB cable. You can see. And this I have already shown it to you, the auxiliary cable. Guys, the best part about it is it can be used for both Bluetooth and auxiliary cable. So it is a best purchase in this price. I purchased it for rupees 1400. So guys, if you like our video, do like, share and subscribe our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.